Welcome to your brand new Bloomfield home in Waterscape, an exceptional master planned community nestled in Royse City, just northeast of Dallas. Amenities, lifestyle, and location, it's all right here in this community. Waterscape offers an appealing combination of peaceful country charm and commuter-friendly convenience, with quick access to I-30, George Bush Tollway, and Highway 635. Making downtown employment hubs in Dallas and Plano just a short drive away. This thoughtfully designed community is packed with resort-style amenities that truly elevate your lifestyle. Catch and release fishing ponds, scenic hike and bike trails, a stunning pool, clubhouse, playground, sports courts, and even a dog park for your furry family members. Our Classic Series floor plans are a perfect match for this new phase at Waterscape. These homes range from 1,800 to over 4,200 square feet, offering 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 5.5 bathrooms, and 2 to 3 car garages, all showcasing the quality design features and luxury finishes that Bloomfield Homes is known for. At Bloomfield Homes, upgraded living is our standard. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. You can experience Bloomfield's craftsmanship firsthand at our model home in Waterscape, featuring the Rose 2 floor plan. This 2-story design offers up to 6 bedrooms and 4 baths, with a spacious game room, options for up to 2 studies, and an optional media room, perfect for work, play, and everything in between. The model is located on Model Row near Waterscape's main entrance and is open daily for tours. Whether you're enjoying the amenities or relaxing at home, life in Waterscape is designed for comfort and connection. And for families, the education piece is just as strong. Students attend highly rated Royse City ISD schools, including Paula Walker Elementary, which is right here in the community. Spend your weekends exploring charming local shops, dining spots, and family-friendly parks. Or head over to nearby Rockwall for lakeside fun at Lake Ray Hubbard, waterfront dining and boutique shopping in the Harbor District. Whether you're seeking a relaxing escape or lively entertainment, your next adventure is always close to home. This is one of the best values for a brand new home in the entire Metroplex. Come visit a model home today and let's start making your dreams come true.